Well, hi guys and welcome. This is Zadel from Zadel Property Education, and it's a huge day. We have finished the rapid renovation and today it is being styled, and we literally have about 10 groups of people coming through tonight to rent this property. I'll give you a video in a moment with the agent on side about what's happened to the rent. You may recall where it started and also what's happened to the value. I've got no idea what she's going to say, but we've done our own research, so we're fairly confident. So we've got the truck here down from Newcastle, straight out of Naomi Finlay's Silk Home, cutting edge styling business based up there north of Sydney. And it's down today and it is styling day. As luck would have it, the heavens have opened up. It's planning to rain all day. Isn't that always the way? But it's all good. We're already in. It's early morning. We're already in, started at 7. And I won't show you the whole thing, but look, there's just bucket loads of stuff and styling everywhere. And Ashley from Gnomes' office is inside doing her thing. It's a sneak peek of the lounge room and what's going on. We've got some art. You can see the furniture at the back already. And the bedrooms are being done. It's just, can't wait. So excited. Big day today. It's been 4.5 weeks from start to finish. And it's been a fantastic experience. Can't wait to show you guys the absolute final product today. And we'll be filming the whole thing with Naomi as she goes through it room by room and shows you what we've done. So I hope you've been enjoying